Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to redeem a gift card on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official grubhub.com website right here or open up the application on your mobile phone and go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see is the main page of Grubhub where you can see all the restaurants that you have, or if you're on your mobile it's going to look like something like this. So guys, let's say that we now want to go ahead and redeem our gift card. Well guys, this is how to do it. Go ahead guys and open up the settings on your Grubhub application by clicking the profile icon right here in the upper right corner. In your mobile phone it's going to be right here in the bottom lower corner where you can see your account option. Go ahead and open up that, and after opening up that guys and clicking settings, you will see these options right here that you can open up. So now guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the gift card option right here that will appear in the menu. Click on gift card guys, and this will take us to this new page where we can now enter in the gift cards that we have for Grubhub. So you can either buy a gift card or you can redeem a gift card. So if you have a gift card, click on redeem and enter in your gift card code right here and click add to my account, and it's going to be added to your balance right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.